In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add a link to your Instagram stories. Let's get into it. So if we just jump over to Instagram stories here, as you can see, I've got my story ready to go. To add a link to this, what we need to do is click on the stickers tab. We need to scroll down to where it says link. And then this is going to open up this window. You can go ahead and either type in your link or paste it. I have it copied to my clipboard, so I'm just going to paste it. It's the link to my YouTube channel. And then by inserting your link, it will enable the customize sticker text option. And what this is it lets you customize what appears on your sticker, which is really cool. So I'm going to click on this and I'm going to type in check out my YouTube channel. I'm going to click done. And as you can see, that has created a sticker. Now, when I post this, anybody who clicks on that link will be directed to my YouTube channel. As it stands right now, Instagram do not let you go back into the sticker to make amendments to it. So if you need to change something, you'll have to start from scratch. The only thing you can change at the moment is the design of the sticker. If you click it a few times, it will take you through the different looks that you can have on your sticker. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and comment your thoughts below. And for more creative fix tutorials, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next one.